Okay, so hello guys and welcome to my Python YouTube channel DESI ASTRO, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change your Jupyter notebook themes other than this theme. So this is your default theme, and let's see how you can change it. So first of all we need to install themes. So for that type command pip install Jupyter themes and run it. So it's running and it is saying that requirement is already satisfied. So it is installed in my notebook. Now what to do? Let's see themes available in that. So for that type command Jupyter -l. See, these are the available themes in your notebook: grade 3, monarchy, ocean 16, one dog, solarized and solarized 1. So these things we can check. So for that, in order to access your one of your say theme, type command Jupyter -t and your theme. So I will go for this one. Put and run it. See, it has run. Now we will open another notebook. See, you can see that your notebook has changed. I mean, its theme has been changed. We can go for one more. We can also go for just change it and go for grade 2. Run it and again open another notebook. See, this time your theme is different. Similarly, check for third one. Run it. It has run. So now open. This time it has got this theme. So similarly, check for more. So again open. This is your yellowish color. It has got theme. Now check for this one, monarchy, and run it. It has run and check it. This is the somehow dark. Now check for ocean is 16. Okay, so maybe you can delete these things and then smart, darkish. Now go for one dark. Let's see how it's appearing. Now check it. This is like a dark feature. Okay. Now go for solarized D. Run it. Now check it. This here got some your greenish color. Now one more is left.